Bro. So Benito, bro. This boy crackles so much now.
216 miles.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, all the workers looking, bro. He said, let me drop that. That shit funny. Boy, had a fuck ton of crackles in that. That's hype.
On demand.
On demand, he said, let me just go ahead and slide this over real quick.
I like it. Only do it when I wanted to do it though.
Mm-hmm. Well, because what you have to like manually shift it, right?
You gotta go like above like 35.
3,500 RPMs?
Yeah. And then you let off.
Oh my lord.
We
talked about this. We talked about this long ago. Living in it. Riding with the next one. Oh, that control your your air. Oh, okay. Look at that bitch, bro.
Why you so extra, bro?
Cut, bro. My happy ass will never get close to anything like this in my life. Oh my god, this guy put it in the track mode. Is track supposed to be better than sport?
It's just more stiffer. It don't do nothing different. No throttle response, no nothing. It's
just here to home, you know. Oh my god. I am whipping a 2021. I see what you're saying about stiffer.
What you mean?
Fuck it.
It's stiff.
Yeah. It's good. It's so nice, bro. I'm telling you, it's like hollow. It's not too loud. It's the perfect tone. It's not doing too much.
Yeah, at first it was too quiet. That kind of was the perfect. Bro, I wouldn't mind, bro. Like, these are fire still, bro.
I know, right?
I gotta get a quick video, bro. Like, you know how many times like we drove
that gray one, dude, it'd be hard though.
That Mustang still ain't nobody about to buy it. Then you say it was like 20 bands.
Yeah, it was 20 bands. They lowered it down to 16.
Ain't nobody buying it.
Still ain't nobody buying that.
It's overpriced.
Exactly.
Like I say 9,000 for like all the stuff we got down to. We could be at your house in a minute.
I know.
He just gonna give us some space.
It got so crazy.
So ugly, dog.
That shit's so nice. Oh, I'm telling you, that shit's so nice. Just by letting off the gas, bro, it's ready to crack. You heard it. It was on the verge. It was on the verge of having those little pops and shit. See, what you think of them 300s? You think they're nice?
It depends on which one. Oh, no, I like the newer 300s. I like it more slimmer.
Slimmer, right?
The old 300 like a big boat.
But I wouldn't mind me, you know, a big boxy one. Come on. You don't deserve to hear this exhaust. The fuck?
Ooh.
Ew! Honey, she leaking.
Bro, did he put like a wide body on there? Not a wide body.
I wouldn't say a wide body. I'd say like a body kit though.
He putting body kits on there. It's like it's in.
That's probably why it's a different color. Yeah, she put that bitch on.
Oh no, it's like she got a paint job.
I think her man's is like, yeah, that looked like a body kit for sure. That's for sure a body kit. Well, thank you for letting me drive your little baby. Oh,
man. I'm not stingy, man.
Not stingy with it. Yes. Jeremy, on the other hand,
he won't let you touch it.
He won't even let me touch it.
I mean, something like that. And like, if you haven't like drove a boosted car before, I probably won't let nobody that never drove nothing boosted.
But then again, this man is not a driver like you think he is.
But
this
you gotta understand
got
though.
Money.
If you put a big turbo in your car and you got all your camp stuff, you ain't about to let somebody that never drove something like that just drive your car either.
Yes, sir.
Oh, no, you gotta hit a little rail, you know what I'm saying?
Oh.
All right, happy feet, let's go, man.
All right, happy feet.
All right, y'all, thanks for who all watched it to the end. And as a reward, I'm gonna give y'all this good little montage I made, giving my car some good TLC action. I'm out.